Aloha guys, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today's lick of the day was kind of bluesy. A couple of bends, and on ukulele and nylon strings, the bends can be a little bit tricky. So let me show you what I did. So we started off with this. Okay, that's the first half of the lick. And what that is I'm holding down the bottom two strings at the 3rd fret with my first finger. And I'm bending up, and normally what I would do is I would bend to this note, but because we're on an ukulele and we can't bend to that note, we just don't got enough fretboard space, and if I pull down it'll interfere with that note there. What I did was I bent up about a step and a little bit past that to catch that note. So I went about as far as I can go without going off the fretboard and caught that note. So I kind of bent it up to the point where it just bit onto that note. So I bend up and I pick the 2nd string, 1st string back to the 2nd string. Then I bend from the 6th fret on the 2nd string. So what I did there was I bent here. And again, I'm coming up just short of the bend because these are nylon strings, and if I go too far, it just feels weird. So now the last thing on the first half is the pull off. Okay, that's your first thing. And that's 6-3, right? Now I went up here afterwards. So what that is I'm on the 8th fret of the 1st string, and I'm putting my finger over here on the 11th fret on the 2nd string, and I'm kind of picking that string and letting my finger fall into the next string. And then I do a pull off. So 11 back to 9, or 8 back to 8. So it goes. Then I bend again. And this is just like a short bend. Okay, so normally here's the rule, guys. When you bend a note, you want to bend, like on a guitar, an electric guitar, or anything like that, you want to bend to a pitch. And you want that pitch to grab the next thing. On nylon strings, it's really hard to do and keep intonated. The other thing is that when you're bending on an ukulele, there's a lot of liberties you can take. Like I let that note take it, and I do it quickly so it doesn't make it obvious. But on an electric guitar or on an acoustic guitar with steel strings, you want to hang that note and make it really get in there. But on the ukulele, this works out, and we can do licks like that. Alright guys, so that was the lick of the day. As usual, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button below. And if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have more subscribers. And if you like the way I teach, check out my teaching channel, hawaiimusicschool.com. And if you get on right now, you can get 2 weeks free. So sign up, guys. Hopefully I'll see you around. Aloha.